Hi guys, we're here in the video and today I'm going to be playing some more Animal Jam. I haven't been playing Animal Jam for a while or any of my games, so I decided to play a little bit of more Animal Jam. So, I don't know, let's find something to do and yeah. Okay, so I think we're going to do challenges, and the first challenge is how many, people can I talk to through one comment. So just one comment. So let's say hi, you on a video right now. That's no, never mind. No. Oh, it's really slow. Alright, and we're gonna see how many people reply. So far, I just have nobody replying. And I can put it again so other people can see it because it's the same comment. So let's say hi. Wait, how do I've already forgotten how to. Oh, I think it's a little. Wait, do I just click on this again? Oh my god, it's looking so bad. I'm having so many problems right now. Okay, here we go. Let's do this, and then. Is it this one? What's that? What are all these? What? I'm so confused. Well, nobody said hi anyway, so let's move on to the next challenge. Okay, so we are at the Summer Carnival, and it says, "Welcome to the Summer Carnival. Enjoy 500 free tickets. Use tickets to buy cool prizes." Let's press OK, and I don't know if this is a challenge or what it is. You got a gift, 500 tickets. That's actually pretty decent. So I guess we're gonna see what we can find here. It's not really a challenge. Ooh, what's that? Okay, let's do the challenge on how many games can I play with 500 tickets. I wonder if first. Oh, I kinda. This is so hard to click on this stuff when you're moving. Click, click, click. Come on. There we go. I got it. Okay, so we're gonna see what I can buy. What? You can't really buy anything with just 500 tickets, so that's not good. Alright, let's play this game. I don't know what this is. Use a mallet to whack all the phantoms that pop out of the holes. Phantoms will only pop out for a short time, so whack them as quick as you can. So let's play this. I wonder how many tickets this is. Does this take any tickets, or does it give me tickets? I don't get it. Pay 5 gems to play. What? But I thought it was oh, I have 45 seconds, so this is a challenge. Okay, I already read the directions. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to hit that one, yellow one. Okay, I didn't really read the directions. No. Okay, so I earned 112 tickets, and my score was 17,560. Alright, so let's play something else. So I get it. So I started off with 500 tickets, and to buy a prize, I need to get 2,000 tickets. So let's go see what else we can. What's over here? Let's just to buy clothes. I want to play a game. Oh, here's a game. Pop the balloons and hit the phantoms with darts to earn points. Pop the letter balloon and hit the golden phantom to get a bonus point. But they put a point bonus, which makes no sense. Okay. So 5 gems. So slide your finger left and right to aim the bow. Tap the fire button to launch a dart. Hit the special balloons and phantoms to get more points. Okay, I think I get it, but I don't really. Like, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Oh, this is so hard. Got one, I guess. Ooh. Let's see. Let's try to hit a phantom. I want to get a phantom. Oh, I was so close to. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, the yellow ones only come out through the sides. Yes, got a yellow one. Right here is. Oh, I want to get that. Right here is a good spot. I got another. Okay, so I got 135 tickets. Alright, let's find another game. Alright. So, I think that. What happened? Oh no. Oh, wants to be your buddy. Okay, whatever. Accept and. Okay, I got it. We get it. We gotta go back in there because I don't know what just happened. I just got kicked out and I had a lot of tickets, and I think if you get out, then you lose your tickets. I don't know what just happened. Oh, I don't. Yes. Hey, what's this? This is a different game. Ooh, I love this game. I always play this when I go to like the arcades and stuff like that. I love it. Okay, so let's do this. We might play this one 2 times because I love this one so much. This is hard. Oh, you just 10 points. That's fine. So close to whatever that number is. $25 points. I'll accept that. $50 points. I'll accept that too. No, so close again. So close, but so far. 50. Let's go. Okay, 10 points. That's fine. Let's go. Oh, 25 points. 250. What's this? Why is it doing that? Oh, I got 100. Oh, wow. Let's play this one again. I told you I was going to play again because I really love this game. Target. Ooh, 25 points. My high score is 970, sorry. So let's see if we can do this one. No! Oh, I went the 100 one. Okay, that's okay. That's great. I'll accept the 25 because it didn't go in the 10. So. Oh no, I only have a couple of these left. No! Ooh, okay. Come on, come on. No, that's a 25. It's okay, it's not 10. Let's see what we get. Yep, I saw that one coming. Let's go! Yes, it's my last one, so it like zooms in. I'm gonna get 10 points, guys. But I did beat my high score, so that's awesome. Yes. Okay, let's play something else. What else could we play? Let's play one more game, guys. What's this over here? Whoa. Oh, you can buy tickets. You know what? Let's buy this one. It gives you 1,000 tickets, and I think this is okay. Why can't we? There we go. So let's see what else we have. We can do. How about this one? I don't think I played that one. Let's play it. How do you? Okay. So, ooh, look at this. This looks good. Okay. So, choose one of the cones. Alright, do I just pull it up? Choose a flavor. Let's make it blue on pink. So, what do I do? Oh, okay. Just put it in there. How do I do this? Maybe I should have read the directions. Done. Yummy. So is that it? Oh, I did notice that I didn't have to pay. I don't think I did. Well, wow, it just directly got me out. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Alright guys, well, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!